Mending bridges, understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, mending bridges. This expression is not only common in English conversations but also rich in meaning and history. Let's dive into what it means, how to use it, and its origins. Mending bridges is an idiom that refers to the process of repairing or improving relationships that have been damaged or strained. The word mending means fixing or repairing, and bridges symbolize the connections between people. So, when someone talks about mending bridges, they're referring to the act of resolving conflicts, healing wounds, or restoring friendly relations. The phrase, mending bridges, likely originates from the literal act of repairing bridges, which are essential for connecting communities. Over time, this practical activity became a metaphor for fixing relationships. While the exact origin is unclear, the sentiment behind the phrase is universal: the importance of maintaining and repairing connections with others. Mending bridges can be used in various contexts. Here are some examples. After an argument, I know we had our differences, but I think it's time we start mending bridges. In a business setting, our companies had a misunderstanding last year, but we're looking forward to mending bridges and working together again. Personal relationships. I haven't spoken to my brother in years, but I'm thinking of mending bridges during the holidays. There are variations of this idiom that carry a similar meaning, such as building bridges or repairing fences. While building bridges often refers to creating new relationships or connections, repairing fences, similar to mending bridges, emphasizes the restoration of existing relationships. Mending bridges is a powerful expression that highlights the importance of relationships in our lives. Whether in personal or professional settings, understanding and using this phrase can help us navigate the complex world of human interactions. Remember, mending bridges isn't just about fixing what's broken, it's about building stronger connections for the future. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this has been an enlightening lesson.